We're about to walk into IME West. We're going to see what type of activity can we get, who do we see, who do we meet, conversations we have, relationships start forming. Let's get into it.
Ayy, I got the recipe, never gonna let any op get the best of me. Thought it was distance, but haters is next to me. Talk to the spirit, you know I've been heavenly. Company definitely show your trajectory. This ain't a diss cause I say it respectfully. It's time to eat up, bread like a speeder. Taking it deeper and that's how it better be. I never let the comparison get to me. I just remember the promises meant for me. I know the enemy and that he sent for me. I keep the blood of the lemons my centerpiece. I cannot trust in no crystals or energy. Look at the chemistry, it do not even mix chemically. Most of the tricks they be gimmicks, they mimic the truth. It's poison and we got the remedy. There is a bomb, apply it, the fire can stand to the tallest of giants, the tyrant and all the suppliers are scheming and lying. They selling his dreams and we buying it. Show me the chicken, I'm frying it. Show me the dough and I'm prying it. Ain't never lacking it, so what I'm packing, he taking it, he magnifying it. They say you ain't bout it. Tell them that you finna make it, but they doubt it. But you rose like the flower. Tell me what it's like to live with superpowers. I don't know, but I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it.
Oh, where's Kyle? Where's Kyle? Our CEO he's been in injection molding for a year. He started our company. He came from injection molding and actually started our company. So he's
What's up, guys? I was told to come check you guys out because you're an injection molder. Why'd they put you in the back?
That's not like that.
What type of injection molding you guys do?
We do physical plastic, thermoset.
Okay. What's your tonnage? Scientific injection molding, like RJG? Yeah, it's been like, 8 years since I was in injection molding. I'm glad to see that they're still a player. Yeah.
And I walk in, I'm like, okay, what do you guys use? And like, what do you mean? We have the workbook. I'm like, well, where's your sensors?
Yeah.
And they had just bought 2 brand new Sumitomos.
Oh, okay.
And I'm like, oh, great.
Nice
what are you
machine.
using? Are you kidding me? You bought brand new presses and you didn't get the sensors package?
Right. That's expensive. I mean, just the EDAR. Yeah, the EDAR is what, like 20, 30 for the base model.
It was 20 grand per machine.
Yep.
And then I said, we don't buy presses without this.
Yeah.
You can't be a medical injection molder without this.
Yeah.
Nobody's going to talk to you.
I mean, it's critical.
It's critical.
It's to stand apart, right?
You have to do it. If you
Very
want to play
cool.
in tier 1s, you have to.
Who do you guys go after?
So we are in-betweeners. So we're bigger than the mom and pop, but obviously we're not Jabil or Westfall.
Right, yeah. You guys have a clean room?
We do. So we have 13,000 square feet of clean room.
What class?
Class 7 and 8.
Okay, very nice.
So this thing here is kind of covered. So this is actually all one assembly. I just took it apart to make it look like we have more.
Yep.
But it's a mixer cell. So we do everything from the gasket, the rubber gaskets, to the assembly, the thermoplastic. We assemble the whole thing in a clean room.
Yep.
Cut, double back, shipped out to the customer. So it's a stir cell for SUT. It's a heart monitor.
Okay.
So we do this whole thing,
Yeah.
which nobody else can.
Yeah, all in-house.
And it's it's a startup, so there's risk behind it because
but still,
it may not go anywhere.
But once that thing hits,
But if it hits,
in 2 to 3 years, like you could be looking at some volume.
something.
Yeah. I've been in industrial for 23 years. Was an engineer for 5. Did sales and injection molding for 10. Started this agency 8 years ago because at the time, back in 2015, there was no industrial marketing agencies that could come in and say, I know what you sell, I know who you sell it to, I know how to market it. So I worked at 3 molders, grew them all 200% in 2 years.
Do you have a magazine or what do you have?
A magazine?
Well, how do you do it?
We do it through web, SEO, PPC. We do videos. We write articles. We do websites. So some of our clients are WD-40, people like that have products.
So you get like the PG.
And then some of our clients are.
How do we talk to you?
The higher the PG ratio.
So what we do is set up a discovery call. I understand who you guys trying to sell to. What
That
are you
can't be good
currently
for that
doing?
guy.
We put together a strategy for you on what works because you're selling to people that we sell to and also try and get as clients. Right, and you sell to businesses in the med device space. So we market to them for ourselves and we market for them for their clients.
I told you to
So
wear
we know them inside. Where are you guys based out of? Nevada?
Yeah, Reno, Nevada.
Okay, so we're in Austin, Texas. I did sales for 12, and then I started the agency 8 years ago. 22 employees, 3 engineers that write all of our clients' articles for us. We create 1,200 videos a year for our clients, 600 articles a year, all out of everybody in-house out of Austin.
So where have you been?
What's that?
Where have you been?
I haven't done a good enough job marketing because I don't run into people like you.
Let's go for it.
Oh,
some
chopsticks.
Oh.
Keep going.
Oh, there's more.
Oh, some silverware?
Oh
Look
man,
at that.
To go silver.
to go somewhere.
That is
Chopsticks.
cool.
I love that.
That's awesome.
Is this a promotional item, or are you going to tell me that you also sell this too?
We don't sell that. That's promo.
Okay.
But we do sell that. But not that one. See, I own another company.
Of course you do.
Of course.
Are you just doing this all by yourself?
We have a company that has products for older people. You know what our number one item is?
Bedpans.
Diapers.
Diapers? Yeah. That's cool.
We
I
have-
look forward to.
I don't even tell you about our chocolate company.
Oh, you have a chocolate company? Come on.
All right. Have a good one, Keith. Thank you.
Bye, Keith.
Years before I started the agency 8 years ago. So I spent 5 years as an engineer, and then I spent 11 years in sales for injection molding and tooling. My dad's a retired machinist. I grew up in it. And I left that because most industrial companies that look for a marketing partner, the marketing agencies don't know anything about industrial. So I started the agency 8 years ago. We work with numerous product people, but also about half our business on the service side. So injection molders, automation integrators, CNC machine shops, all of those people, plastics resin suppliers. On the flip side, hydraulic press manufacturers, WD-40, people that have software for industrial. I've never worked with a company that does specific fixtures like this. That's why it always comes down to who are you selling to, usually engineers, operations type people, and what specific market. Is it just automotive? Is it automotive, aerospace, medical, like anything in between? Identify the market, figure out where can you get their attention from, create content that's engaging, whether it's video articles, engage with them on social, email, stuff like that, website traffic. We do the whole thing to create like an ecosystem of lead generating activity. Yep, we've got a 10 by 20 booth. We're going to be there too. So we're really ingrained in the industry. There's not an agency out there that knows at like a deep level what's going on in the industry because we only work in this space. Where are you guys out of?
Local.
Okay.
Like a half an hour. I know your name. I think maybe you're on my LinkedIn or Facebook or something.
You've probably seen videos? You might have seen videos.
I might have, I recognize this guy. I don't know.
He just started a month ago. What the hell?
But honestly, I never go on LinkedIn.
You should.
I'm not involved with it.
And you should just like my stuff. See, like that. Thank you. I appreciate the
All
like.
of these guys right here.
Right here. That was just shot
I've
today.
been liking your stuff from way back.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, we represent manufacturing and industrial companies. That's all we do. But we are the sales and marketing team.
What's your bowl of goodies right
Yeah,
here?
what is that?
Well, here, try one. They're mint flavored.
Oh, those are little silicone
These are
things.
optical components. They're made out of silicone.
Okay.
And they mount directly onto a printed circuit board with a metal clip, and they don't melt.
Okay.
So you can do pick and place. We deliver it in a tape and reel package. Do pick and place, and it mounts the same time as the other SMT components on a printed circuit board.
Yeah.
So it saves an entire process step.
Oh, wow.
I'm with the Michigan group here, the Michigan Economic Development Corporation, but I didn't get a trade show booth, so I had to figure out how to wander around and.
And
Hey, that's what we're doing. We have a couple of our clients that are here. That there's our home base, but we're just doing the same thing. We're expoing. What about you guys? You guys just do like the glass blowing, or?
Custom glass blowing. Models that are anatomically correct on the device ID. And then we also do very high precision tooling.
Oh, okay.
Forming catheter tips.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's
for
cool.
Stent loading, that sort of thing. It's all very precision.
Prospects, you guys, everybody's a prospect for us.
Yeah, that's cool.
So we just have conversations, see if people are interested. Take it from there. We get a lot of video footage from it.
Yeah.
So good stuff.
Yeah, we're local. We're like 10 minutes down the road, so it's real easy for us to
Yeah.
come here.
What do you guys do?
We're a manufacturing ERP.
Oh, ERP,
so
yep.
we're
You guys
real
compete
good
with Everybody.
Yeah, the mid-tier guys, the Epicors.
Do you guys do any addressable?
Don't know enough.
Okay, so if you want to know some secret shit, talk to us. What we're doing for clients is we can. You get his card?
Yeah.
So he'll set up. You got his card?
I can connect you guys with the right people
Okay.
in marketing.